Hi guys! Welcome back to the bonus vlog for the week. For today guys, I'm so happy because I will be sharing to you finally my custom couture for my Labubu version 1 macaron. I've been dying to share them to you ever since I've made and custom clothes for them. So guys, this is going to be fun and very exciting. So if you love to custom our Labubus, definitely you are going to enjoy this. So I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Soaking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Every new subscription, guys, I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramirafy2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, guys, so I have started creating and customize my clothes for my Labubu when we have come back from our travel in Japan. I know I wanted to make different clothes for my Labubu, but I wasn't so sure yet. So now here we are. So I would like to be sharing them to you. So the very first one we have here, we have of course Sesame Bean. So as you can see, so Sesame Bean is currently wearing a metallic silver outfit. So it's a two-piece outfit. So we have here a mini skirt dress, and of course she is wearing a very beautiful hat. So as you can see, so just a close-up. So this is the material for her. So this is the front, and then this is the back side. So her skirt is of course a mini skirt dress. I love metallic silver, that's why I have designed this for her. And to make sure she stands out even more, I have added her very own oversized giant bows over here. So the giant bows cannot be detached. And then of course I have designed her very own very beautiful fashion forward hat with the bow detail as well. So of course the hat, guys, you can remove it and have her wear without the hat like this. But of course, as you know me, I love anything over the top. So guys, by the way, I am not sure yet if I am going to sell these custom clothes, but if you are interested, guys, of any of the custom clothes for the Labubu that I'm showing for today, just kindly send me a message, then maybe we can discuss in customizing your very own clothes for your Labubu. Of course, we are going to pattern it with what I'm currently designing from this one. So this is the very first one. We have Sesame Bean. I so love her. What do you think of the very first design? Now calling onto stage Green Grape. So here she is. Look at her, guys. So let us take a closer look. So she is wearing, so another inspiration, it was inspired from the very first one from Sesame Bean. So we have Green Grape wearing here like a metallic gold finish miniskirt dress, and this time I have adorned the entirety of the dress with the bow detail, as you can see. Of course, I wanted her to be over the top. I want her to be okay. Her outfit would be Paris Fashion Week ready. Alright, so she is wearing here a fully detachable headband with the same material as you can see. So let's take her for a spin so that you could much appreciate what she is currently wearing. So if you love anything over the top, definitely you are going to love the second ensemble here for Green Grapes. Of course, guys, the clothes, the headpieces are fully detachable, so you can interchange them, wear them to any Labubu that you want. And of course, the advent of the version 3 big into energy, you could also wear there for the big into energy, because this would also fit the version 3. I think it would also fit the version 2. So what do you think of our second outfit for the Labubu? So we have Green Grape over here. Alright, so now let us check out the third one. So calling Litechi Berry on the floor. 3, 2, 1. Here she is, as you can see, guys. So this is Litechi Berry. So she is wearing a pink floral dress with broken crusted details over here, and she is wearing a headband encrusted with flowers, with chiffon flowers as well. So let us take a closer look of Litechi Berry in her very beautiful couture ensembles, as you can see. So this is a mini skirt dress. So this is the side, and then of course the back side as well. We still have the flowers, and of course guys, the headpiece of Litechi Berry. So it has a ribbon over here, so it means it's fully detachable, so you could have her wear her, or you could have her remove the headpiece. So as you can see, so this is the what Litechi Berry is wearing. So what I love about this one, so I have designed this dress because I would want her outfit to be also on the same colorway as hers. So as you know, Litechi Berry has this very beautiful, vibrant pink colorway, and of course I wanted the pink of this one a little bit lighter, like on a peachy side. And of course I have encrusted and hand embellished with pearl details on some of the part of the miniskirt dress over here. So what do you think of Litechi Berry? So again, one last look at her very beautiful dress. As you can see, super cute. Kindly comment down below if you are the one. Can you just imagine if you're going to attach this one on a bag, how beautiful, and definitely Litechi Berry is going to stand out. Now, calling the fourth Labubu, we have sea salt coconut in 3, 2, 1, reveal! Janan! So this one is also inspired by the outfit of Litechi Berry, but this time I have made sure that the entirety of her miniskirt dress is now fully covered with gray chiffon flower. Of course guys, she is wearing a hat that is also embellished with flowers, and the hat, you could remove it like this, so she could travel just wearing the dress. But of course, if you want her to be super fancy, super chic, ready for Paris Couture Week, then definitely wear her with the flower, the 3D flower hat as well. So let us take a closer look at sea salt caramel. So as you can see, so sea salt caramel is like the bluish gray colorway. So this is the front part. So as you can see, you can no longer see his body, which I so love, because again, I'm the type of person who loves everything, over the top, everything to be, screaming, like, look at me, I am here, I have arrived. So now, what do you think of our 2 Labubus with flower details as well? I'm also planning to make more 3D flower dresses for the other Labubus as well. But if you're going to make a choice, guys, which would you choose? Would you choose Litechi Berry, or would you choose sea salt caramel or sea salt coconut rather? Super cute, both of that one. Yay! Guys, so for my couture collection, I have decided we are going to have not just one secret, but we are going to have 2 secrets. So now, calling Tofi to the fashion runway show in 3, 2, 1, the very first secret. Chanan! Here we have Tofi. So as you can see, this is the reason why I wanted her to be one of the secret, because she looks really elegant and she looks really chic in her custom Maison Ramiro hand embellished pearl dress, as you can see. So everything on the miniskirt dress is entirely hand embellished with pearls. Wow, as you can see, so gorgeous. And she is also wearing a headband made entirely of pearls, and of course the pearl headband you can definitely remove according on your mood. So as you can see, even the back part, guys, is fully embellished with pearls. And guys, I would also just like to share, this is very difficult to make. I think it took me several hours to just finish the entirety, to embellish the entirety of her dress with pearls, because as you can see there, you could not see anymore the fabric, because I really wanted and I really designed it that way. I really want, for her, every time that she is going to a very special fashion event, everyone would definitely be looking at her, and then everyone would say, oh my god, the Queen Labubu is finally arrived, as you can see. So what do you think of Tofi with her couture pearl dress? Is she worthy of being called a secret Labubu niya? What do you think? Please comment down below. Alright guys, so last but not the least, this is the super secret of the collection. If Tofi over here is the 1 in 72 chance, this one I would say 1 in 144, even better for you to get this one. So now calling on Soy Milk to the fashion floor in 3, 2, 1, reveal! Here she is, guys. As you can see, she is wearing a pearl encrusted dress. The pearls, guys, on this part is very different from Tofi because her pearl dress is fringe pearls, as you can see. And guys, I'm going to put a short video here on how difficult I made this pearl dress. If this one took me several hours, this one, guys, is even longer because of how I made the fringe pearls, as you can see. It's very couture. It's definitely, you know, very difficult to make, long hours to make. This is the back part. As you can see, everything is encrusted in pearls. And of course, guys, she is wearing a hat that is fully encrusted in pearls as well. So the hat definitely you could remove. And this is the most weighty of all the collection that I have designed for today. So let us take again a closer look if you're going to wear her. Definitely, guys, I'm so excited to be wearing her. So like I can imagine, like for example, if given a chance, I would be invited to a Chanel fashion show. Definitely, she is the queen that I'm going to carry with me. So let us take a closer look and let us take her for a spin. As you can see, this is Soy Bean. Again, all of the dress, all of the hat are fully detachable. And you could have them wear on a different kind of Labubus or any plush pendants that you have. But of course, I would love for Soy Bean to be carrying her. As you can see, what do you think? Is she worthy to be called the super secret? And then of course, let us call the other secret Tofi over here in another pearl dress. As you can see the difference. So this one has bigger giant pearls and this one has smaller pearls, and of course it has movement. So what do you think, guys, of my Labubu fashion show for today? Did you enjoy? Kindly comment down below. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a pearl emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. We're almost there. Every new subscription, I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's @Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. We are going to see each everyone soon. Bye!